Fefdy.
Internal organs, vital organs.
Hello, doctor. Welcome home. Oh, thank God you're here, doctor. Charu's really not feeling too well, and I think you should have a look at her immediately. Please have a seat.
Thank you, Ms. Aisha, but it's okay. Good morning, Charmadi. How are you doing?
Doctor, I had too many sweets this morning. My tummy is aching very badly.
Oh, my sweet Charu, I never expected this from you.
I'm so sorry, doctor. I won't do this again.
That's my girl. I want to tell you a secret. If you want to take care of yourself, it is important to take care of your internal organs by choosing the right food.
Can I name a few internal organs? The brain, heart, lungs, liver, and kidney. Am I right, doctor?
You rock, Charu. Now, I will tell you about the vital organs and the food that helps the organs to function well. The organs that are found inside the body are called internal organs, including the stomach, intestine, and gallbladder. The vital organs necessary for our survival are brain, heart, lungs, liver, and kidneys. The brain. Brain is inside the head and is protected by the skull. It is the command center of the body. Brain is responsible for thinking, feeling, and remembering. Foods for brain health: leafy greens, fortified cereals, and almonds help the brain to be sharp and alert. The lungs. A pair of lungs are in the chest. The lungs help to breathe in and breathe out air. Foods for lung health: carrots, citrus fruits, and leafy greens help the lungs to function well.
Tasty.
Yummy!
Let's move on to the heart now. The heart is in the chest region. It pumps blood to all parts of the body. Foods for heart health: whole grains, legumes, eggs, and milk help the heart stay strong and work properly. The liver. The liver is the largest organ in the body. It is in the upper right abdomen. The liver digests food and purifies blood. Foods for liver health: spinach, fish, nuts, and seeds help overall liver health. Kidneys. The kidneys are on either side of the spine in the upper abdominal area. It filters waste from blood to remove toxins through urine. Foods for kidney health: chicken, citrus fruits, and avocados are vital for kidney function.
Doctor, the way my body works feels amazing.
Indeed, Charmati, with a healthy body, you can engage effectively with the world around you using your sense organs. For example, how does it make you feel when there is a cup of coffee on your table?